All right, so now let's figure out how we can turn these into working drawings or technical drawings. Here's just a shape that I made in a previous video, or similar to a shape I made in a previous video. From here, if you click on this design tab, you'll see that down here is drawing, and you can click a drawing from this design. I choose that. Um, I'll name it. You should probably save that ahead of time. You'll see it'll create a drawing. We'll use the ASME standards here. Now it says sheet size. Here's where you can adjust it. An 8.5 by 11 in a normal computer sheet of paper is A. There's also B, and then you can adjust the orientation. So I'm just going to do a basic 8.5 by 11 A. Actually, no, let's do B, 11 by 17 in the landscape orientation. I'll click OK, and it's going to immediately open up that drawing. And it's going to give me this piece to insert here. And on the side, you'll see what orientation do I want it to look like. I'm going to put my front face, or what I believe should be the front view, in this bottom left-hand corner. You'll see I can adjust the scale. If I make this, say, to a 2:1 scale, you'll see it makes it a little bigger. In this case, I actually like the 1:1 scale that we're using. I'll click, and that's going to place that there. Now, what I can do from here, let me double click that and open that up. Actually, I'll save that for a minute. I can come over here and say projected. Now that I have the base view, I can project off that view. So now let's say I want a top view. You'll see how there's that dotted line there. If I'm off to the side, the shape is not my top view. But when that dotted line shows up, I know I'm directly above it. So I'm going to get my top view. And I'm also going to do a side view. And then I'll also do an isometric view. When they're done, I'll click up here, check mark, okay. And there I have my 4 views. You'll see they got the hidden lines showing for where that hole is cut out. And in this one, since it's the isometric view, I'm going to double click on this one. And I'm actually going to shade this one. If I click shade over here, it'll make that appearance like it looks in my original design. We'll go ahead and leave that here, but that's how we create working drawings and insert shapes.